Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Master Match One. For the past 2 days, I haven't posted anything. The reason why, because I had something going on in the house, so that's the reason why. So as you know, there was the inflation data, the CPI report, and also there's also the job report. A lot of people were expecting the job report to be a little bit higher, which expected. So basically, which is a good thing. But as you can tell, the market make a um dramatic turn today, which is kind of crazy. But we're gonna go on to the news that we say. Women open to negotiation did comment trigger market reversal Thursday after had CPI data sparked steep sell-off. So basically, in the article, he mentioned that probably because the market reached the bottom, as you can tell when the market opened up SP 500. This is SP 500, as you can tell in the morning. The market was red, and if I zoom in, let me zoom in a little bit. As you can tell, the market was up yesterday, closed at 358, and then this morning the market, as you can see, this is the price. The market closed at 358, and then this morning the market really make a big dump where the market went like 358 to all the way like 340s, which is the new low for the entire year, or for the they say some low since 19 something, I think 48 they said. So that's the reason why you see the reason the Fed has to push a little break on that. So as you can see, the market went from 348 to all the way to 366, or to, I mean 367, which is kind of crazy. And also, as you can see, many were surprised to see the market turn positive on Thursday after the Labor Department report an 8.2 year over year, that the CPI report, increasing the consumer CPI in September, within the SP 500 NYC. So basically, like I mentioned in my last video, I was saying that the CPI gonna be between 7.9 to 8.2 or 8.3. Then they come out to 8.2. The reason I mentioned 8.2, because when I look at the data and I look at how it's been for last month, I was like, well, it's not gonna be that high, but it's gonna be effective. But for this month, since we are still on the 13, next month probably even higher. For my data that I collected, it's gonna be even higher. But for that reason, for 0.1%, the market didn't make it false up, because this is data. And also, since it reached a new low, algorithm take over, and the next thing you know, the market turned out to be green. And let's go with more into the article. But one of the other reason why also this in the article, as you can see, what Tony, according to the other report, there's a war between Russia and Ukraine. That's probably also was the reason, or the reason why. And so let's see what they say about that. The direction has not changed. The special military operation continue. It continued for us to achieve our goal. However, we have reportedly reiterated that we remain open to negotiation to achieve our objective. So basically, I think the war is still kind of cool off. So basically, that's the reason why you see the market kind of cool off as well. But the reason why, the other reason, because the market is really high today, because of this North Korea missile flew 700 km off and around 50 km on top of speed. So basically, they were about a nuclear war. For the past month, you'll be hearing nuclear war a lot. But right now, the tensions are very hard, as you can see, as you can hear the news. They really want to push that agenda out there, which is why you see the market growing. Because when we were aware about war, especially nuclear war, somebody gonna fund it, and they don't want the economic collapse completely, because if the economic collapse, who's gonna fund it for the war? So they have to push the economy further, and in a way that people save money, so they can fund the war. So that's why the reason why you see the SP 500 going up. So for my intake on that, I'm gonna still watching it because tomorrow is gonna be Friday. Usually tomorrow Friday is sell off, like I'll tell people Friday is sell off day, so don't worry about what the market do on Thursday. So but I was expecting to the market to be really red today, like it open this morning was really red, but the beta, the theta, the theta, they destroyed theta today, which is dramatic. And if you are being put, you lose money, but if you're doing call, congratulations. But it was kind of risky, and people were fear like the market gonna crash today like really bad, because the CPI, the job market, are really bad, and the Fed make a pivot point, and as you can see the market was green. And as you can tell, guys, I didn't push any watch list. The reason why I didn't push very watch is because the CPI data kind of change the market dramatically. As you can see today, the market go dramatically. But tomorrow is Friday, tomorrow sell off day. I'm not gonna post. I'm not probably not doing any watch list for tomorrow. But we're gonna see if I see any good stock I'm watching that's gonna be good, and if I don't, we're gonna stick to the regular schedule. But one other stock you can also watch if you don't want to invest in SP 500. There's also SPX where you can also invest. SPX is also as SP 500. It costs a little high, but I think is easier for you to make money. No, it's better. So basically there's another stock that's concentrated, that's, let me see, SPX. You can trade SPXS. Yeah, I was right, SPXS. That's the opposite of SPX. So when SPX is down, that's mean that SP 500 is going up, is the market is bullish. When the SPXS is up, that's mean the market is bearish. So basically the market is red. So you can pay attention to those two stocks. So basically you can for similar again, they move accordingly to the market, they move accordingly to the news. So they are very accurate on the daily, on the whatever time frame you want to do 5 minutes time frame. So you can always put that in your portfolio. You can watch it closely. So also you can also pay attention to the news. Like in tomorrow it's gonna be sell off day. Don't hold anything over the weekend. That's my goal for today. And also next week I'm gonna start posting the video that I'm gonna make 3-day trade per week, and I probably gonna between 20% to 900%. That's when the market goes. Unfortunately I won't be able to do a live trade because I probably won't have the time to do so. But when I do the video in my trade, I'm gonna post it, and then you can follow along. And then if you want to be part of the on my call, on my alert, you can be part on Discord down in the video. And got that one for today. And if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. And if you lose money, it happens. Take a deep breath and then cry a little about it. Pat yourself on the shoulder and stand up and get investing again, because investing is that only one thing, is a lifetime. Because at the end of the day, if you make it, once you make it, everyone's gonna proud and be happy about it. But you gotta be consistent and then discipline. You never go broke. If you secure profit, always secure profit. Sometimes it can be 5%, 10%, something be 20%. Even though you don't know anything about it, but I guarantee you, everyone lose money in the market. Everyone lose money. Some people lose $10, $5. Some people lose a million. Some people billionaire become broke. So basically, don't go so on yourself, and then be gentle about it, and then still learning, because it's a lifetime commitment. And guys, this was my tutorial 101, and that's the next one. Ciao. And that was the video for today. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, share to anyone that's new, subscribe, and smash that button. And once again, it was my tutorial 101. I'll see you next video. Ciao, have a good day.